Sawadika, welcome to Pen's Pals. Today recipe sweet chili sauce. It's very easy, simple to make. You can make a lot, keep in the refrigerator at about a year. Let's start. Ingredients: 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and I use 5 Thai chilies, Thai chili. If you don't like too spicy, you can add 2 or 3 chilies, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, and 3 tablespoons of water, and half cup of chopped bell pepper, and 6 ounces of apple cider vinegar. I prefer apple cider vinegar. Flavor is, to me, I like the flavor. And 1 cup of sugar, any kind of sugar you have available in your kitchen, but I used coconut sugar because I like the color. When you make a sweet chili sauce, it's quite coming out nice color. And the food processor. Now let's start blending. I can use my scissor cut the chili in here in my food processor. You don't need a glove, you use a scissor. Gotta add a garlic. ใส่กระเทียมลงไปนะคะ bell pepper Now let's start blending. It's gonna look like this, don't make to like a mashed chili and garlic, just make like little chunky. I'm gonna mix all ingredients, and the one it will blend it. Don't turn on the heat yet. Add blended chili and garlic, apple cider vinegar, sugar, น้ำตาลนะคะ salt, tapioca flour, mixed with water. You just stir some and part, or not too like a liquid like water. Just make perfect thick. Okay, turn the heat on now. When you turn the heat on, it's at high heat. When it come to boil, come up to boil, we stir to prevent it stick in the bottom or get burned in the bottom. If it get burned, we don't have any sweet chili sauce. And then we lower some heat. We stir until 5-6 minutes, like get ready, and then turn off it up a heat. I let it cool and I put in a jar. Keep, like I say, keep in the refrigerator, and about a year it'll be perfect. Sweet chili sauce with a sweet and sour recipe, and make like a barbecue sauce will be the perfect sauce. The color looks so good, and the flavor just amazing. Try this recipe and stay happy and healthy. We see you in the next video. Bye bye.